What if you could unlock your door with just a tap, a code, or even your fingerprint? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the best smart door locks that combine top-level security with everyday convenience. Whether you want keyless entry, app control, or advanced features like auto lock and remote access, we've got you covered. Stick around till the end to find the perfect smart lock for your home. And don't forget, all the product links are in the description below so you can check the latest prices and deals. Let's jump in. Modern home security should eliminate the stress of lost keys and rushed exits. LOCKSTAR Smart Door. Lock delivers a flexible, user-friendly solution by offering multiple access methods, including app control, fingerprint touch ID, keypad codes, card fobs, and a traditional key backup. Built from durable zinc with a sleek black finish, it fits most standard doors and supports a clean, modern look. The auto lock feature ensures the door secures itself as soon as it closes, while manual locking is possible with a simple long press on the keypad. Real-time notifications and detailed event history through the mobile app allow users to monitor activity anytime, adding peace of mind for families, rentals, and busy households. Installation is designed for DIY users, requiring only a screwdriver and minimal effort, with tools included in the box. Customers consistently praise its smooth fingerprint recognition, convenience, and excellent value, noting that it delivers premium smart lock functionality without an excessive price tag. Home security becomes far more reassuring when visibility and access control are combined into one system. EUFY FAMILOCK S3 Max Smart Lock stands out with advanced palm vein recognition, delivering fast, highly accurate, and forgery-resistant unlocking without physical contact. Its integrated 2K Full HD camera provides a head-to-toe view of visitors, functioning as both a smart lock and a video doorbell. A built-in rear video screen allows users, especially children and elderly family members, to see who's outside without using a smartphone. Constructed from aluminum, the lock feels solid and premium, while the dual-power system ensures reliability with a rechargeable battery and AAA backup. Smart home compatibility with Apple Home, Alexa, Google Home, and Matter enhances automation potential. Customers highlight the impressive battery life and feature-rich design, though opinions on palm recognition speed vary. Overall, it's seen as a cutting-edge, all-in-one security solution. Reliable protection often comes from brands with a long history of proven performance. SCHLAGE ENCODE Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock connects directly to home Wi-Fi, allowing users to lock, unlock, and monitor their door remotely without needing an additional hub. The touchscreen keypad supports up to 100 access codes, making it ideal for families, guests, or short-term rentals. Built with a zinc body and BHMA-certified security ratings, it offers strong resistance to tampering, forced entry, and everyday wear. Auto lock functionality, customizable alerts, and a built-in alarm add extra layers of safety. Voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant increases hands-free convenience. Installation is straightforward and requires only a screwdriver. Customer feedback often praises its build quality, ease of setup, and trusted brand reputation, though some report mixed experiences with Wi-Fi stability and battery life. Overall, it remains a dependable choice for smart, keyless entry. Managing your front door remotely can greatly simplify daily routines and home security. KWIKSET Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing full control through the KWIKSET app without a separate hub. Users can lock or unlock the door from anywhere, create and manage up to 250 access codes, and receive real-time alerts for unusual activity. The backlit touchscreen supports one-touch locking and adjustable auto-lock timing, adding both convenience and peace of mind. Made from sturdy metal with a matte black finish, it offers a solid feel and weather-resistant performance for exterior doors. Integration with Alexa and Google Home enables voice control and automation. Installation is designed for DIY users and typically takes only minutes. Customers appreciate its intuitive app and simple setup, though some mention inconsistent Wi-Fi connectivity and faster battery drain. Despite mixed opinions, many find it a practical smart lock upgrade. Contactless access is quickly becoming a preferred feature in modern smart home security. WYZE Palm Lock uses advanced palm vein recognition technology, allowing users to unlock the door simply by hovering their hand. No fingerprints or codes required. Built with a durable metal body and IP53 weather resistance, it's designed to handle daily use in various conditions. The dual battery system provides up to 6 months of main power with a secondary backup, plus emergency USB-C charging to prevent lockouts. Auto-lock functionality relies on a built-in gyroscope that detects door movement and ensures accurate locking after closure. Users can also create access codes, use voice assistants, or rely on the included mechanical key. Customers consistently praise its fast response time, impressive battery life, and reliable biometric performance. Many consider it a forward-looking, highly secure option that balances innovation, convenience, and affordability. Simple security solutions remain popular for users who want reliability without complex connectivity. TEEHO TE001 Keyless Entry Door Lock focuses on keypad-based access with support for up to 20 user codes and one-time guest PINs. Constructed from a mix of stainless steel, zinc, and nickel, it offers solid durability and a classic satin nickel finish. Auto-lock timing can be customized between 10 and 99 seconds, while one-touch locking makes quick exits effortless. Additional safety features include anti-peeping password protection, wrong entry limits, vacation mode, and a low battery indicator. With an IP54 rating, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor doors. Installation is quick and screwdriver only, making it accessible for most homeowners. Customers frequently praise its value, appearance, and ease of use, though some report occasional keypad sensitivity issues. Overall, it's viewed as a dependable, budget-friendly keyless lock. Smart access becomes more efficient when flexibility and long battery life are combined. TP-Link TAPO Smart Door Lock offers 6 unlocking methods, including fingerprint recognition, keypad passcodes, app control, Bluetooth, voice assistants, and physical keys. Its rechargeable 10,000 mAh battery delivers up to a year of use, reducing maintenance and downtime. The fingerprint sensor unlocks in under half a second and can store up to 100 fingerprints, making it ideal for busy households. Built from metal with a polished black finish, the lock feels sturdy and modern. USB-C charging ensures easy power management, while the TAPO app allows users to create permanent, scheduled, or one-time access codes. Customers consistently highlight the accurate fingerprint reader, smooth installation, and excellent battery performance, though some mention occasional Wi-Fi disconnections. Overall, it's regarded as a feature-rich, reliable smart lock for everyday home use. And that wraps up our list of the best smart door locks you can buy today. If this video helped you choose the right lock for your home, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more smart home and tech guides, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Remember, all the links to the smart door locks we talked about are in the description below. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.